Miro Tutorial for Beginners, all you need to get started with Miro. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you all the features you need to easily get started with Miro.com. This software provides us the opportunity to create beautiful schemas, interact with our team, create dashboard like this. So basically it's pretty cool, pretty easy to use, and here we are on the website Miro.com. As you can see in the top of the screen, we can find a lot of information about their products, solutions, resources, prices. Basically, if we are going to discover the paid plans, we can find that we have like starter and business, but also we can easily try it for free. There are a lot of features provided in a free plan, so easily we can just simply click on get started to create an account. We can easily create it with email, or we can sign up with Google. As for me, this is the easiest variant we can do, so I'm just going to create an account using Gmail. So basically you can do the same. I think everyone has a Gmail account. So set up your team. What's your team name? Basically here we can input everything we need. Let it be the helperman, name of our channel. What kind of work do you do? Doesn't matter, marketing. Have you ever used Miro before? Yes, a couple of times. What will you use Miro for? For personal. And what's your role? Let it be like director, why not? What's your company size? 2 to 15. How did you hear about Miro? Doesn't matter, let it be YouTube. Do we have a YouTube here? Yeah. So set up and continue. Invite our teammates, so we can easily invite them from Slack or Gmail contacts, or we can just copy the link and share it with our like friends or teammates on Messenger. So basically we can skip this step, and we'll come to the next page where would you like to start. These use cases are very popular. Discover more templates in the library later. So basically there are a lot of templates provided by Miro, so we can easily use them totally for free. So there is like mind maps, task tracking, product roadmaps, brainstorming, use journey mapping, and competitive analysis. So basically you can choose something from this list, or we can create our own like boards from scratch. So in my case, let's try to use mind maps, and basically we can add more elements if we need. So in a few seconds everything is done, and as you can see we can use like mouse, apply. So here we are on their like dashboard, and as you can see the interface is quite simple. In the left side there is a couple of instruments, so basically we can use like a small tutorial here, but in the left side there is like couple of instruments we can easily use, like select, so we can select any parts here to interact with them. We also have like different templates, so we can easily use like mind map, flowchart, concept map, and so on. There is a huge amount of different templates we can use, and there are a lot of different categories, for example like use cases, custom templates if we create them. So the like amount of them is pretty cool, but we can easily create them by ourselves. Also we can add like text. In the left side menu we can add like sticky notes to add something we want to like share with our team, maybe add different shapes, flowcharts, callouts, and so on. Huge amount of different like stuff. Also we can add like more shapes, as you can see, like this one here, also like connectors, and some of them are locked as for the upgrade versions only, so I think it's enough to use like base plan. So basically also we have like connection lines, pen option, we can easily draw something. We can add some more elements with highlighter. We can highlight, for example, this object here. We can easily erase, or we can easily like create a smart drawing. So as you can see, it was replaced to the oval. I think it's pretty cool. Also we have like command options, so we can add different commands if we need, and also we can add frames, upload something, or use more apps. So as you can see, we have like different integrations with shapes, tables, cards. Basically for the chart, for example, we can use this part here. So I think it's pretty cool. We can like untitled chart, add some more things. Basically these features are pretty cool, so you can discover them by your own. And I think that like Miro is pretty friendly to new users. In the top of the screen, we also have the option for timers, voting, talk track, estimation, note, like also more apps integration, and so on. So let's get started with editing. For we have like this structure here, and to edit something, we just simply need to click, and then we can add the text or something like this. So hello or helper man. What can you write more? In the right side, there could be like video ideas. In the left side, there could be like, I don't know, like monetization ways. So we can easily like try to brainstorm how can we easily create more videos, how can we monetize them. And in this case, it's pretty cool. So we can structurize all the data right up here. So as for me, it's pretty cool. Also, we can share our project with others. In the right top corner, we can just simply enter emails. We can invite team by simply creating a link. And also we can change the permission, so anyone at Helperman's team can edit, or we can like comment, view, and so on. And anyone with the link like can view, comment, and edit. So yeah. If you click on mirror in the left top corner, we'll come to all of our boards page. Basically, this is a dashboard. So as you can see, we have like our board here, like mind maps. If you click, we'll come back. And from this page here, we can easily discover more features. We can find a lot of different templates. We can find recent boards, started boards, basically like switch between different teams. And also like we can discover boards in this team and Miroverse if we need. In the right top corner, we can find our settings with like account settings, where we can find billing information and so on. Also, we can invite members and search for the boards right up here. And if you'll try to find like the paid plans, we can find all the differences right up here. So as you can see, a $1 pack, there is like a single workspace with unlimited boards, so one-click collaboration access with unlimited visitors on public boards, no sign-in required, easily find and share boards with unlimited project folders, recover lost connect and content versions with board version history, have a great meetings with built-in timer, voting, video chat, estimation app, and more, and drive best practices within your team with custom templates. Control who can assess your concept with private boards, and show off your work with high quality resolution board export. So basically we can try it for free and then decide. So this is a way of how can we use Miro. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.